The Bucky stand uses the combination of the medical X-ray machine and the device in the medical institution to perform film inspection on the head, chest, abdomen, pelvic and other parts of the human body to achieve the purpose of diagnosing the lesion. The generic name for this product is the camera holder. The name is a vertical Bucky stand. Technical parameters: 1. The maximum stroke of the camera box is 1,100 millimeters. 2. Maximum film size: 356 millimeters, 432 millimeters, 1417. 1. Installation: place the device on a flat, hard surface 180 centimeters from the tube to center the camera and the ball after the tube centers are coincident and adjusted correctly. Align the center of the 8.5 through holes at the bottom of the column of the device, and install 4 M-made expansion screws with electric hammer holes, and then tighten them. To use: 1. Open the cassette door. Insert the selected cassette into the clip, push down, place the cassette in the card, and then release the cassette. The cassette automatically snaps up. 2. Close the box door. 3. Adjust the appropriate height of the cassette according to the camera position to select the camera condition. If you want to know more about NuHeek Bucky stand, please contact our customer service.